Hi guys, so this is the hair I'm going to be using to teach you how to work on your colored wigs. Please do not revamp different colors of wigs together. You are revamping a black and natural colors of wigs separately, and you're also doing washing and revamping of colored wigs differently. Please do not work on colored hairs and black hairs or any other colors together, because this color can just bleed on each other. So the first thing I'm doing now is I'm detangling the colored hair properly before I go in to do my washing. And don't forget, when I'm washing this colored hair, I'm using my colored revitalized shampoo. It is a special shampoo that is made to wash your colored hair. And also communicate with your clients, let them know that it is not proper for colored hairs to be too dirty before they revamp it. I'm just going to be teaching you how to wash your colored wigs here. Like I said earlier, when you are washing your colored wigs, this is the normal proper shampoo you are going to use, which is the revitalized color shampoo. The reason why you are using this shampoo is because it's designed separately to wash your colored hair to reduce color bleeding. Yes, there will be color bleeding, but it will not be as much as it's supposed to be. So the first thing I'm going to do now is pour the shampoo inside my water. After pouring the shampoo inside my water properly, I'm now going to wash the hair. I'm just going to wash this hair just 2 times. That was why I said you have to communicate with your client. Let them know that they are not supposed to use their colored hair too dirty before they go and revamp it. So you don't have to wash, because the more you wash this colored hair, the more you see color start fading off from it. And this mostly happens to hairs that are colored with semi-permanent colors. Semi-permanent colors, they are colors that in coloring that they fade. When you start washing the hair, they will bleed off, they will remove. So now that I'm washing this hair, I'm washing it properly, same way I'm just doing my washing procedure that I've taught you. And can you see that there's still color in the water? But imagine if I did not use this color, revitalized color. Just know that the color will remove than what you are seeing. There will be more color bleeding than what you are seeing. But because I'm using that professional shampoo designed for colored wigs, that's why the color bleeding is minimal. And see what it's looking like. So now I'm going in to do the second washing. This is the colored hair after washing it twice, so I just want to rinse it off. Like I said, using the shampoo that is designed to wash the colored hair does not mean it's not going to bleed, but the way it's going to bleed is going to be minimal compared to when you just use your ordinary shampoo to wash it. So this is me rinsing off the hair after washing it with my color revitalized shampoo, which is designed mainly to wash your colored hair to reduce the color bleeding from the hair. So after this process, I'm just going to go in to apply my treatment to the hair before I move on to steaming process. I'll be teaching you how to apply your products on the colored hair you have revamped. Don't forget, you are still going to use your same revamping product that we have used for our previous revamping, but in this case the only difference is just that you are going to be applying your color revitalized conditioner on inside the product. So you are applying the keratin mix. So I'm just trying to apply all the hair revamping products. Then I will now pour my color revitalized conditioner. I will be generous with it. I don't manage my product. Just use enough product that will be enough to do the hair. So I'm going in with my hair mayonnaise. Then I'm going in with my keratin treatment milk. So I'm just applying the same revamping product. The only thing I'm applying that is different is just my revitalized color conditioner. So I'm also going in with my macadamia conditioner. That does not disturb you from, or it does not say you should not add your color revitalize conditioner because it is different. This conditioner will lock in the color of the wig. It will not allow too much bleeding. Trust me, there will be bleeding. There's no way there will not be color bleeding when you are revamping your colored hairs. But the designed shampoo and conditioner for it will just reduce the bleeding. Like, it will not make it bleed much as it's supposed to bleed. So I'm going in lastly with my color revitalized color. Shampoo. I'm supposed to go in with my silicone mix, but I forgot, which I'm also going to come back to add it in this video. You see it. So can you see I'm applying enough conditioner in my product? In fact, it is one I'm applying a lot on it. So I'm just mixing the product together. The color revitalized color is much more than other product that I've added. So after doing that, I'm just going to apply the product on the wig generously. Like I told you, I don't like to manage my product. Just use enough product that will circulate all the hairs, that will enters the hair very well, that will touch all the hair strands. So I'm going with the treatment. I'm applying it on all the hair. So I'm applying it with wet after washing my hair, because the hair will still be wet. You cannot be applying products on a dry hair. It will take a lot of product, and it will not allow the product to sink well inside the hair. So I'm applying the product very well on every part of the wig. I want the product to touch everywhere it's supposed to touch. I want you to touch everywhere it's supposed to touch. So after applying my product very well, I'm just going to go in to use my detangling brush. This brush will help you. It will let all the products sink into the hair. It will let all the products penetrate into all the strands of the hair. Just brush it, and it will also not make your hair tangle. When you are applying product, try and be brushing the hair when needed so it does not tangle. So this is me brushing it properly after applying my treatment. So after brushing it very well, I will now go in with my silicone mix that I forgot to add when I was showing you the treatment. I forgot the silicone mix, so I'll just go in with the silicone mix. See what the hair is looking like after applying the treatment. Can you see how dry, dehydrated this hair was looking? This wig was looking before we started working on it, and see what the wig is looking now. So trust me, this product goes a very long way. It does a lot on your wigs. Don't even mix anything out of the product. Just try and buy good product. Use enough product. It goes a very, very long way. It goes a very, very long way. So the silicone mix I forgot to apply earlier, so I'm bringing it out now to apply the silicone mix on it, because it's very, very important too, like I said. So I'm just going to apply some amount of silicone mix on the wig too, because I thought it's very, very important. So I'm applying my silicone mix on it. Apply my silicone mix on it. Then I go in with my brush. Don't forget, I'm going with my brush. Just brush it properly to ensure that all the product penetrates into the hair properly. So these are the products. Then you come in. After that, can you see I put all the hair inside the cap Then I bring in my nylon. Like I said, make sure you are using a very thick nylon, a nylon that does not have hole, because you won't like water to penetrate inside this hair when you are steaming it. And steaming allows all these products to enter into the hair cuticles. It allows penetration into the hair. So steaming is very, very important in your revamping procedure. Very, very important, trust me. So guys, we are done with this process. Now we are going to move into our steaming process.